soon, 'cause I see the moon and I'm only halfway done, and it's not right. So better get in second and speed the ride. It seems a bit crazy, but I feel lazy tonight. Working all day, then back home, paper and pen and all alone. So to gather story in mind to write my next line, I just write what I think and put it in a song. But takes many hours and appreciate it if you sing along. Well, I got an idea, whisper, come over here. I'm gonna write a song about you tonight. 'Cause I see a velvet rose in the window, and I'm gonna write a bit about that. You can write a song about anything, make sure it rhymes about this and that. Velvet rose is how the song goes. It sounds a love tune, but put it together takes longer, so I'll be back real soon. So I'm on a mission, 'cause I've had a vision of what song I'll write tonight. I looked out the window, cross over the meadow, and all I seem to see is open space. So I better write it right, this ain't no rain. So up in the hills ain't nothing to see, no thrills, but being up here with me. I sit under the oak tree and write out the music just for chills. I think I'm almost there while sitting on my old chair. It squeaks a bit and I don't care, 'cause the life that we have is king of the gab, and I sit up here in the fresh air. So the song that I write and maybe give a like just might. It don't cost nothing and I don't bite. So the moral of the story is to live free in the glory, and to enjoy outdoors life and the fresh air. Some prefer the sea and some the sand. Maybe a song about that next from Time Capsule Band. See you on the next one, and give a like or a thumbs up if you wanna hear more. Until then, have a happy Sunday.